What's up, guys? I'm Stewart, the RV tech behind Living Small, Dreaming Big. We've partnered with Harvest Host and Boondockers Welcome to show you how to maintain your RV. Starting first with maintaining your RV AC to keep you cool this 4th of July weekend and beyond. Some tools you're going to need are a screwdriver, a soft bristle brush, oil cleaner, a hose or a spray bottle full of water. First thing you're going to want to do is turn off that AC. Then remove all the screws and remove that top cover. Use your brush to remove any loose debris, then apply your coil cleaner. Let this sit on there for a couple minutes to really dissolve that dirt. Then use your brush again. Make sure you only go in the direction of the fins so you don't bend them. This is also a great time to straighten any of the bent fins. Using a hose or your spray bottle full of water, make sure to rinse all of the cleaner and dirt out of the coil. I like to use a blower at this point to make sure I get all of the water out of the coil. If you don't have a blower, you don't have to worry about this step. Then use your rags to wipe up any of the excess. Reinstall your cover. I like to do this service about every 6 months. Happy travels.